Hi, welcome to Art by Anna Marie. I'm Anna Marie and today we are drawing a rose. This is a how-to video. I'm going to share with you how I draw a rose, and also I want to share with you the downloadable copy. So if you click over to my website, I have a free downloadable copy of the outline of this rose if you are new to drawing and you want to build your confidence. But we're going to take it step by step now. We're also going to paint our rose after we've drawn it, so stick around for that. In the middle of your page, draw a small wonky oval. Then surround that oval with another one, but join it up at the bottom. Then draw another wonky oval, but make it bigger at the top and closer to the other line at the bottom. Now you're going to start forming the petals. Take a line from the middle of the left oval, and you're going to draw a curved line to the middle of the oval on the other side. Now find the middle of the oval and start down a bit and take a curved line up to meet the oval. Then do the same on the other side. Add 2 lines from the oval to the bottom line, and this is going to create a bud. Draw a curved line down so it doesn't go past this middle line, and do a curved line on the other side also. Then you're going to join it up. This underline curve starts higher and has a bit of a wave to it. It's going to become the top of a petal. Loop around this curve and join it to the other side with that point. Starting at the top, draw a wonky curvy line that covers the top of the other lines. Then a curved line that meets that line. Then add another curve. It doesn't matter if it's not exactly the same as mine, as long as you've got some wonky curves. The petals will get bigger as they come out from the middle. You need to continue to go around your rose, adding in curved lines. And one here at the front to keep it balanced. I'm adding a few extra on the side to balance it too. You can really play around with the layout as much as you want. And that is how to draw a rose. Painting watercolour on a rose. You're going to use a lot of water on these petals, so you'll need to leave a bit of drying time between each petal. I'm going to speed up my process for you, but you can see the real-time version with commentary over on my Patreon page. I have an excellent beginner course that will show you all the basics you need to get started with watercolour, as well as step-by-step demonstrations and instruction. For this painting, I chose a petal to start with. Mix up some white with pink and dab the paint in the middle of the petal. Then dab on some red to the outside edges of the petal. I continue this all around the rose until all petals are complete. Make sure you let your rose dry before you go back in to add any extra details or layers to the petals. With this much water, they'll dry over time and the pigment continues to move right to the point of being dry, so you have to be patient. So there we are, here is our rose. It's fully dried now and it is just beautiful. You can do this technique with any other colour. You can even combine colours, so you can combine a red and a blue and make a purpley kind of rose. Really experiment with it and have a lot of fun with it. I hope you have enjoyed it. If you want any tips or hints about painting roses, leave me a comment in the box below. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. That helps out a great deal so that I know what you're interested in watching. Thanks guys!